Yeah, Oga. Welcome, sir. Yeah. Yeah, Oga. Yeah. Home sweet home.
Hey, Nico.
Welcome, sir.
You're doing well.
Don't you, sir?
My dad at home?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Nico. My bag is there, okay? Help
Yes,
me
sir.
out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the back door.
Sir, I'm very happy to see you, sir.
Wow. Dad!
Come, sir.
Dad, your son is home. Are you Dad?
Oh, come on. Dave, my son.
How you doing, sir?
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you,
I've
Dad.
been expecting you.
Yes, Dad.
How are you? How was your journey?
Very fine, I thank God.
Very good, very good. You're welcome back.
You're looking younger than your age, Dad.
Yes. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
You knew he was coming,
Yes, sir.
and I told you, so you prepared his favorite.
Yes, sir. I did.
Go and set the table. You go freshen up.
All right, Dad.
Let's have dinner.
It's okay. I'll see you, Dad.
That's my son. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh, son. Here you are. Oh! Yes, my son. I am so glad and I thank God that you're finally through with your school. You did wonderfully well, and I'm so proud of you.
Well, thank you, Dad. What can I say? I'm simply the son of my father. Thanks anyway.
I am proud of you, my son, and there's something I want you to do for me.
Okay. Anything for you, Dad. Just say it.
Now that you are through with your education, I want you to take a wife.
Dad, Dad, don't you think it's a little too early for this wife talk right now, Dad?
No. It's not too early. Listen to me, my son. I am not getting any younger. I want to see children, my grandchildren, running around this big house and calling me grandpa, grandpa, grandpa. I want to, that will be my heart desire before I die. Yes, that's what I want.
Okay, Dad, no problem. I've heard you. I just need some time to sort myself out. Then I'll bring a woman home. I promise I'll bring a woman home in that time.
Very good boy. You're my boy. Yes, you're welcome to my house, my son.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good. That's your friend in school you've been telling me about.
Dad, his name is Alex, the one I told you about.
My son has told me a lot about you.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I've heard so much about you, sir. It's actually a pleasure to meet you, sir.
That's all right. Feel very free.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, he's an orphan, Dad.
Oh, don't worry. Just feel free. You're at home here.
Yes, sir.
Show him around.
All right.
Make him comfortable.
How much do you want?
200.
200 naira, okay? Yeah.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries.
Excuse me, ma, do you have a car?
Huh?
Excuse me, ma, is everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Because I was wondering the way you're looking at me.
Me? Looking at you? No.
Yes.
Hey, please come in and sit down. Sit.
Right.
Sit down. You have to sit down so that you can enjoy this akara very well. I can see you boys are not used to this kind of life in this village. Okay. You're welcome.
I think you'll sell akara for me.
Nne, my akara has finished, oh?
But there's plenty of akara here.
Are you deaf? I said, my akara has finished. Go to somewhere else and buy your akara. This people you're seeing here has bought everything.
Ma, I don't think we can buy everything. I think you should sell some for her, then you can give us the money.
Oh, have you heard him?
I am not selling again. Is it by force? Go to somewhere else and buy your akara, my friend. Am I the only person that sells akara in this area? What's up, Apobiko?
Please, ma, can you sell akara 500 naira for us?
Sell kwa? Huh? How can a mother collect money from her children before he can give them food?
We don't understand.
Hey, I'm coming. Let me get you akara. Oh. I'm coming, oh. Hey.
I thought it was you and I forever. I thought it was me and you till eternity. Seems to forget no one knows tomorrow.
I'm coming. Sorry, oh. Sorry. Hey. Enjoy your akara, eh? Let me get you a cold soft drink to enjoy this akara very well.
No, I don't think we can.
Don't worry, I am coming now. Oh, just here. I'm coming now.
This woman is so nice. Like, it's strange. Is that how you people behave in the village?
Amara! Amara!
Yes, Papa.
Come.
Papa, you called me.
What are you doing?
I was trying to stitch one of my skirts.
Okay, take this money. Go to Mama Ure's shop.
Oh.
Buy me 7 stick.
Okay, sir.
Come back quickly.
Oh.
Come back because you will go to the market and buy things. You know we don't have things here in the house.
Oh, Papa.
Go quick.
Oh.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery.
Hey, she locked the place. Hey.
No one can predict. Imana, this world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. This world no one can predict. Okwimana, I thought it was you and I forever.
And I'm coming, oh. It will soon be done. 200, I thought you said 300 naira. Okay. Because 200 naira will not be enough for both of you. Wait, now you know about this speed. Take. Hey, where have these children gone to? This is the only way to this village now, and they took this way. Ha! But I thought they want to see somebody else. Ha! I would have stopped them. Oh, ha! They took the wrong way. Nah, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming back now. No. Hey, Chimo.
Priscilla,
Sir.
where are Dave and Alex?
Sir, I heard them saying they want to take a look around the village, sir.
Okay. Tell them I've gone to Port Harcourt for a business meeting. I may not be back till tomorrow evening, okay?
Okay, sir.
Take care of yourself. Take care of my boys, all right?
Okay, sir. I will. Safe trip, sir.
All right.
Hello. Sorry, I know this is embarrassing, but we can't seem to find our way back home. I need help. We need help, please. Can't find our way back.
Where are you going to?
I'm from Okwele. You know, we decided to take a walk today, and I guess I don't know my way around.
That's really a far distance. Though I've never been there before.
So, please, is there any way you can help us to locate Ukwele?
Any way at all. We need to get back home.
I think my father should be in the right position to direct you properly.
Okay, that's relieving. Please, get into the car, and take us to your father.
Wow.
Hey, are you scared or something? Come on, get in.
I'll walk. My house is not far.
Come on, don't be scared. Just get into the car.
No, my father's house is just over there.
Okay, fine. We'll just move behind you, okay?
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of
You're scared of
what do you expect? You're in the village.
no one can predict. Imana echidime. This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. This world no one can predict. Okwimana echidime. I thought it was you and I forever.
Amara,
Papa,
hey, what kept you so long? I've been waiting. I was beginning to be worried.
Good evening, sir.
Amara, who are these people?
they missed their way, so I brought them here for you to direct them back to where they came from.
They missed their way.
Yes, Papa.
Where are you people coming from?
So I'm from Umuez.
Umuez. That far? But how come two grown-ups like you could not find your way back to your place? How come?
Sir, actually, that's not what you think, sir. We're actually taking a stroll around the village before we missed our way.
You see, the thing is that you boys don't come home. Otherwise, how can two big boys like this fail to recognize the road to their place? You see, this is why we tell parents to bring their children home, at least for them to know their roots, for them to know where they come from. Look at it now. Anyway, I will take you people to Okwele Junction. I think so. From there, you can find your way home.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
But meanwhile, this is your first time coming to my place. Come and sit down. Let me get you some cola, eh?
Sorry, sir. We are actually in a hurry. Maybe next time we'll come visiting them. We'll take cola. Yes, sir.
All right. Amara! Amara, bring that my cloth hanging outside there. Bring it. Let's go. All these little ants, these black flies, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. I'll be back soon, eh?
Okay, Papa.
I'll be back soon. Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Let's go. Whoa.
This world is full of ups and downs.
Hey,
This world is full of mystery.
Nna. Hey, Nna. Because do you see one big jeep, white car?
No,
White
the one
jeep.
this, the one this
The
way.
one this way?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
I thought it was you and I forever. I thought it was me and you till eternity. You seem to forget no one knows tomorrow.
hey, hey. I didn't see them again, no. Why am I even restless about this? Eh? That means he's my son. He's my son. He's my son.
Did you see this signboard when you were coming?
Yes, this one. I still remember the gate. This was the route I took when I was coming back from the city.
Fine. You follow this road now. You are getting down to your place.
I know this place very well. Thank you very much.
That's it. Okay.
I really appreciate it.
No
Just
problem.
Give me a minute, sir.
All right.
I'm
Okay.
coming. 1 minute, sir.
All right.
I have some. Sir,
Yes.
please help me manage this. Help me, sir.
Hey, all this for me?
It's nothing, sir. I really appreciate.
Hey.
Sir, I want to specially thank you again for all your kind gestures.
No problem.
I really
no
appreciate.
Problem. It's all right. It's all right, my dear. It's all right. It's all right. You can be going, eh?
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wow.
Chief, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
I'm very fine, sir.
Good. I've gone through your credentials, and I am very, very impressed. They are wonderful.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Yes, I know my son must have seen something very special in you before choosing you as his friend. I have no doubt in my mind that both of you can run my company without my being worried about anything.
Wow, sir. Sir, I don't even know what to say.
Then say nothing. I told you earlier that you are no longer an orphan. From now on, you can call me father.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I don't know how to thank you, sir. Sir, I'm so overwhelmed with joy right now, sir. Sir, you don't know what this means to me. Sir, thank you so much. I appreciate.
That's all right. You're a good boy. I like smart, intelligent youths who are also down to it like you.
Okay, sir.
So feel free. I am off for a business meeting. I have some clients I need to hold a meeting with.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
discuss with you when I come back.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
Yes! God, I thank you for bringing me to this family, God. I thank you for leading me today. Oh God, I don't know how to thank you, God. Thank you for leading me today. Thank you for bringing me to this wonderful family. Thank you for touching them to welcome me as their own. God, I don't know how to thank you, Lord. Father, Lord, I
Alice! Alice!
over here, bro.
Hey, man. Hey, there you are.
What's up?
Man, this place is fucking boring.
Man.
Fucking boring.
Then I think you need to resume work.
Work?
Of course.
Which work are you talking about?
Your father's company, of course.
Yeah, you're funny.
I remember you told me he's planning for his retirement, and that automatically makes you the next CEO of Larry Williams Group of Companies, one of the biggest companies in this country.
Really?
You know what that means?
This man is not even up to the third.
Wait. So, are you trying to tell me you don't know your words?
This guy.
You need to Google your name on Google. You need to check your name on Google.
Anyway, father insisted that I must get married before he can will the company to me as a marriage gift. So that's the problem.
So, what are you waiting for?
I don't understand.
Why don't you just get married?
This guy, you be cow.
Wait.
I want to step out. Do you mind?
You remember that woman at the junction, the Accra woman?
Oh,
the
yes.
day we got lost.
Yeah, the woman.
I think we need to have a taste of that Accra. I need it.
I didn't know you were thinking towards that direction because that akara is exceptionally sweet. And that woman's akara is something else,
man.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, man. I can't wait. Oh, man. Okay. But that road, are you sure I can still remember, find my way around? All those bush areas. Let's go, man. Okay.
Auntie, good morning.
Good morning.
This why your face is like this. Is everything all right?
There's no problem. I'm all right.
Okay, if you say so. I'm going to the farm.
Oh, you're going to the farm?
I'll see you later. Now.
Okay.
Take care.
Oh, go well.
Thank you. You see, okay?
I told you I was still remember this way. So it was a bit difficult.
Honestly, I can't believe you recognize this place, honestly. Okay, it's okay. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my son. You're welcome. Hey. Hey, Alex, how are you?
I'm fine. I don't remember telling you my name the last time we came.
Oh, you're right. Your friend here called you Alex. He
Oh.
called you Alex the other time you guys are here.
Oh, I see.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get you people akara.
No problem.
Hey, you will enjoy this akara.
Wow. But this is a little bit much.
Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Honestly speaking, your akara is the most delicious akara I've ever tasted.
Really?
I'm telling you, it tastes much better than the ones I've eaten in the city.
I can't agree with you.
City?
I'm telling you.
The ones they do in the city, they mix it with flour and other things. This one is original akara.
Even at that, your akara tastes so much exceptionally sweet. I mean, it tastes so much like American burger.
Hey! Thank you.
So, how much are we paying for all of this?
No, you're not paying anything, no. No, don't argue with me like you did the other time. It's for my
But man, you have been so good to us the last time we came. To me, I think you need this money more than us.
You need the money, man.
What I need now is how to reunite with my son, my missing son.
What happened to your son? I mean, where is he? Is there anything we can do to assist?
He looks exactly like you.
Me?
The same face, the same voice, the same everything. In fact, just like the way you are. Though it has been many years I saw my son last. But when I see my son, in fact, you resemble my son.
Wait.
Honestly.
Was that why you were looking at me that way the first day?
The other time, yeah. That was it. You look exactly like my son. Is your Chineka,
I agree to. Yes. I know that these boys won't be here. They're always late. When they come, all they know is how to eat plenty food. They're not here. Let me check this minutes. Hey, what is all this now? Can you imagine? 5 bags of cement missing from this store. Who would have done this? Cement onion Sokwano. What is all this rubbish now? What will I tell Mr. Clement now? 5 bags of cement. What is happening here? Hey! What will I tell him? Oh, I don't like this. What is all this now? So a normal human being went into this site and made away with 5 bags of cement. Trying to put me into trouble. Hey, I don't know how to explain this. I don't know how to explain this. 5 bags of cement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of cement. All these pieces will be on my head now. Okay, let me imagine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good bags of cement. Expenses will be on my head now. Hey. This life. What is it?
Papa.
Yes.
You don't look happy. What's the matter?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine, Amanda, that someone went into the site and made away with 5 bags of cement? 5 bags. Stole it. See, I made sure I locked that place yesterday when they finished work. Now someone broke in, took away 5 bags of cement, not even 1, not even 2, not even 3.
Hey.
5 bags.
Oh God.
Mr. Clement would not listen to this kind of story.
Ew.
So how do I even begin to explain to him?
What kind of problem is this one now, Oh, Papa, what are we going to do now?
Nothing. Other than to find a way to replace the 5 bags of cement. That is the only alternative. And I promise you, the moment we succeed in doing that, I will leave that site. After all, I'm not making ends meet there. I will leave.
Please take it easy. Take it easy.
Please, go and get me water to drink. See, it will never be well with somebody who did this.
Don't worry. We'll find a way to replace it.
My story is a very sad one. I can't tell it right now because it brings back painful memories.
Wow, it's okay, man. We understand. I wouldn't want you to bother about anymore. Okay? And please do not hesitate to call on us in case you need any form of help or any form of assistance. My friend and I will be ready to help you anytime. Okay? My friend is right. You know, myself, I never knew my mom right from my youthful age to this moment. Alex too. we kind of have the same story. But we still have hopes that they are alive somewhere.
Hey.
Or if there's any way we can assist, we'll be happy to. Just go ahead and ask.
Okay, thank you. It's all right. I want you boys to take me as your mother. Yes.
Really?
Yes, I wish to be a mother to you both.
Wow.
You can call for my motherly advice anytime.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you. This really means a lot to us. We appreciate.
Thank you.
We'll keep that in mind.
Thank you.
All right.
One more thing, please.
All right.
I want two people to be coming to see me. Oh, anytime you're around, just come and say hi to me.
It's not a problem, man. It's not a problem. At least if not for anything, for the sake of your delicious akara. Eh?
That akara is something else.
Akara is something else.
Thank you. Oh.
All right, man, we'll have to be on our way
All right,
now.
thank you, my
father
children.
will be worried.
Thank you, my children. Oh.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Oh.
Are you sure you don't want any money?
No, I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay, man.
Huh?
All right, take care,
Son,
man.
huh?
Take care.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Yes. They said the ship will come in 2 weeks' time. Yes. No problem. I know what to do. All right. Thank you so much. Oh, yes. Yes. That's all right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Daddy, you have to see me.
Yes. Have you thought about our last discussion?
Yeah, I have. But you will agree with me that I need time to find myself a suitable wife.
And when you use the word suitable, what do you mean by that?
Well, Dad, I want a woman who has virtue. You know, a woman who is respectful from a good home. I want a woman who is social and classy too. You know what I mean, Dad?
Well, virtue, fine. Well trained, from a good home, good. But one thing you must bear in your mind is that there is no woman without an error. So if you are searching for the all-round perfect wife, then you may make a regrettable mistake. So
I'm trying to understand what you're saying because you're getting me all confused. I don't understand.
My son, you are more than that. You're more than that. Anyway, continue searching, but make it snappy. There's no time. All right? You want some wine?
No, I'm okay. I was doing something inside before you called me, so I should.
All right.
Continue.
Really, God works in many ways. So after all these years, God still brought back the son I thought I have lost completely. Hi! Now I am filled with so much joy in me, so much life in me. I really wish it was easy to tell him right away that I am his biological mother. No, I won't do that yet. He might get mad at me and never wish to see me again. Hi. What do I do now? What do I do? What do I do?
This world is full of mysteries. This world no
Look at. Eh? I told Thomas to come and cut this tree. It cannot be here. Eh? Look at your building house here and that. Oh, these children. Small time now they say, Uncle, hey brother, you don't link me into what you are doing. Now I have linked them. Look at it, even up to now. What is the time? They have not come to sight. See this small boys' quarter. They cannot finish it. The main site is still there.
I thought it was you and I forever. I thought it was me and you till eternity. You seem to forget no one knows
See this one.
tomorrow.
They have cut the bag. I can't even see where they drop the used bags of cement. Eh? This is where we're supposed to be dropping them. Mr. Clement will come here now and begin to ask me how many bags have you used. And whatever I tell him, he won't believe it without seeing the bags. There are no bags there. Okay. I will wait for you people here. You will come and meet me. Let me drop this bag here, sir. You'll come and meet me. Let me see what is going on there. See, pieces of blocks. That is 1 trip, 2 trips, 3 trips. It's okay. I'll wait for them. I have to wait for them here. Can you imagine? Up to now, these boys have not come to sight. I think this is the last job they will do for me. This is the last. What is it by the time? Up to now, they still have not come to sight. Up till now. It's okay.
This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Imana
Hello.
full of ups and
Hi.
You?
Yeah. How you doing?
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. You are still able to locate this place?
Yes. It wasn't easy, but I was able to locate here.
Okay, so why are you here?
Well, I came to see you.
Me?
no one can stop
You.
destiny. No one can stop.
And she was the only woman I knew as my mom. Not until death took her away from me. I remember on her dying bed, she told me that my mom gave me to her. I mean, it's all confusing. It's all confusing. I think all she was trying to say that my mom loves me so much.
See, no woman will ever hate her own child.
But my mom hated me so much.
No.
She hated me from birth. Maybe she even regretted ever conceiving me.
No, stop it, son, stop it. Stop it, son. Your mother had done nothing to you, but to love you from the day she brought you into this world.
And she had the guts to dump me like a piece of garbage in a motherless baby's home.
She did that for your own good. Can't you see?
Why you even covering her up? You don't even know her.
See, wait, Alex, wait. Alex, come back. Alex, your mother loves you. Alex, I love you. Hey. What do I do? I have to tell him the truth.
Honestly, I don't know what to say.
Then say yes.
Well, you guys can really be deceiving sometimes. I just hope you're real.
Listen, you can trust me, okay? And hey, I can't even promise to be the best guy in the world right now because I know that would be a big lie. Well, I can only promise to be the guy you want me to be. The guy that makes you happy. I love you, Amara. From my heart, I do.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Yeah. Then say it again, I'll believe you.
I love you. From my heart.
I love you too, Dave.
What? You love me? Seriously?
I did from the first day I saw you. Ever since then, I had wished to see you again.
Oh my God, come here, baby.
I just hope you won't break my heart.
Okay. I will not. Okay, you can count on me. I love you, okay?
I love you too.
So, what are you doing today? Farming, fishing water.
I need to go and fetch some water.
And I am going with you.
Really?
Of course. I want to spend the whole day with you. So what do you think?
I'll have to go to the house first so I can get my rubber.
Okay. Let's go. So this way, no? This way?
This way.
Wait a minute. Is this not this boy's car? The boy that missed his way the other day? Yes, it is. Okay. He is here. What is this? Eh? Hi! These children have come here again. They have come to pluck mango that is not ripe. The day I will catch one of these children, I will use that one as an example. Amara! Amara! Amara!
So, I'm really happy. You know, I've been thinking of how to, approach you with this. But today I just had to summon up courage. I'm happy we're together now. So, I don't know. I just have to be on my way now.
So soon.
Of course. Look at the time. It'll soon get dark.
Should at least wait for my father to come back.
Come on, babe. Listen. I'll see him when next I come, I promise. Okay?
I miss you.
I'm missing you already. Come here, babe. I love you.
I love you too.
Keep on smiling like this. You know, if I continue looking at your face like this, I won't go to bed. And I'll see you later, okay?
Bye.
All right.
Children of these days.
No one can stop destiny.
Hey.
I'm back.
No matter what will be.
But you scared me,
Amara,
Papa.
is that not that boy that missed his road the other way? Is that not?
Yes, Papa, that's him.
Amara, don't you think it is too early now for the two of you to begin to sing I love you songs to each other? Eh? Amara,
Papa,
Amara,
Papa.
Amara.
Yes, Papa.
Make sure you know what you are doing.
Okay, Papa.
Go and get my food.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict.
Hey.
It's all right, ma. Right, it's
Hey,
nothing.
whoa. Thank you so much
It's all right.
for the gifts and the food stuff and the money you gave to me. They are too much.
Ma,
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ma, it's
May
not-
God replenish you both. Oh?
It's nothing. It's our own little way of helping.
Thank
You
you.
know, you can always call us if you need anything. Anything at all.
Thank you.
It's all right, ma. Like I told you, we're like one big family now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do not hesitate to call on us in case you need anything.
Thank
We
you.
provide it for you, okay?
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Anyway, just like Alex said, we're here to help.
Thank
And
you.
please, Mama, try to stop frying that akara. The smoke is not good for your eyes.
But you two like eating my akara. I love it.
You can be doing it inside your house and be sending it to us as special request.
Hey.
Well, Mama, anytime we're coming, we'll just call you so you can prepare it specially for us.
As a special order.
It's all right.
Hey.
We'll have to run along.
It's
now.
all right. Thank you
We'll have
very
other
much.
things to achieve.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy
All right.
that you guys came to visit me.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's all right.
Alex, can I hug you?
Why not? Sure.
Thank you, my son.
All right, man.
Thank you, my son. Oh, I appreciate.
No problem.
One.
Take
Bye
care
bye.
of yourself.
Oh, all right, all
Bye.
right. Bye bye.
Well, my son,
Yes, sir.
I have heard all you said and have seen the drink you brought. The good thing is that my daughter here has accepted your proposal because I am not the one you're coming to marry. What I'll do is to let my kinsmen know so that we send message back to you.
All right, sir. I really appreciate, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We'll be expecting to hear from you.
It's all right.
I really have to be on my way now. It's
Okay. All right.
getting late.
All right. Extend my greetings to your father. Eh?
Sure, he will hear.
All right.
Okay?
Okay. I see.
Right. Papa, please take good care of yourself.
Okay, no problem. All right.
All right.
This world no one can predict. Imana, this world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. This world
All right, baby. Here we are. Let's go there. Yeah, wait. Just hold on, okay? I'm coming. Wow. Just chill, okay? Alpha, Rico. What's up? How you doing? It's okay, easy. Easy, this one. Rico. Thank you. Welcome. We'll see you later, yeah? Welcome. This way. Welcome, sir. Look around. Welcome, ma. Come on, let's go inside. Rico, we'll see you later, yeah? Yes, sir. Her name is Amara. The one I've been telling you about.
Oh, good.
Amara, with my father, Chief Larry.
Oh, Amara, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How are your parents?
They are fine as well.
Where are you from?
I'm from Umezike.
That's our people then.
Yes, sir.
You need to hurry up. If you really mean business and you love her, do what you want to do. There's not.
Dad, I've already made arrangements. As a matter of fact, the father has fixed the date for the introduction. So I'll discuss that with you later.
So, Amara, I hope you love my son.
Yes, sir.
And you will make a good wife.
Yes, I will.
It's all right. All right. Take her, show her around.
Okay, Dad.
And before she leaves, you will have to see me so that I'll give her something for thank you for coming.
Okay, Dad. All right, Dad. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go.
All right.
This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict.
I'm so happy for you, my son. That's a good thing. But I want to tell you that marriage is patience. No woman is complete. Everybody has their own lapses. And it is your ability to endure that will determine the success of your union.
Okay. Wow. Oh, I really appreciate your kind advice, man.
You're welcome.
I'm really happy.
You're welcome.
I think I will have to send down a driver to pick you on that Thursday because I need you to be there.
Why not? I will be there. I will come. But there won't be need for bringing vehicle to come and pick me.
Why?
I will be there on my own. The address you gave me, I still have it. I will come.
All right, no problem. I have to run along now.
It's all right. When,
Take care.
thank you for everything, eh?
No problem. Once you run out of the food stuff, we'll got you.
Why not? The one you've got me the other time, there's still plenty. Greet Alex for me, you know?
All right, Thank you.
All right. Hey, bye-bye, eh?
All right.
Hey.
This world no one can predict.
My kinsmen, I greet you all. I wholeheartedly welcome you to my house. You know, our in-laws are very close. They will soon join us. You can make yourself comfortable.
That's why we're here.
And my friend, you are supposed to be at the back and help with the people. What are you doing here?
Papa, am I disturbing you here?
Go there. I will join you soon.
Papa, leave me. Leave me. Leave me.
Nowadays. Uche, what are you doing here? Who invited you here?
I'm there hearing that Amarachi is getting married. As your in-law. Are you misquoting me?
Kebia Jom as who, as my in-law or what? Will you shut your trap? Uche, please leave here. You are not invited.
Uche, I said leave.
Go home.
Uche, don't try me. I said leave. Just wait. Just wait.
Elders, I greet you. Eh? Uh-huh. Where's the...
My in-laws. You're welcome, please. You're welcome. Please, come and sit down.
Huh? It's you! You!
Larry!
Honey, please.
Larry!
Honey, please.
Leave my bag! Leave my bag! Now, what is it? Leave my bag!
Honey, please.
Who is the honey?
What is this?
Leave my bag!
Darling, please think about what you're about to do.
I have already thought about it, Larry. What am I going to think again? Eh?
Think about your son, please.
Hey.
Think about him.
Why are you so lazy? Eh? You are being lazy in everything. Haba! Your little son Dave, you cannot take care of him. Must I be the one to take care of Dave? Take care of your son now. He's still your son.
Baby.
You're very lazy to get money. You are too lazy. Even on bed, you don't know how to make a woman happy.
It's on bed, you
teach you what?
It's two of us.
It's me that will teach you.
Baby, please, you're wasting my time.
Thunder that has no control. Let it kill you there. You come to a man's house to collect his wife, and you are there talking. In fact,
if you dare try what about I promise you, you're going to spend the rest of your life in the cell, behind bars. Try me. No, try me. Idiot. Baby, come, let's go.
My lord, please, let us go.
Let's go.
Leave this man.
Stupid man.
Honey,
get into the car.
I married this wife, oh. I paid dowry.
Be a man. Go and make money and be a man.
What has...
Learn how to treat a woman.
Hey, poverty. Look at her. Honey. Sweetheart. Honey. Yes, it's you. It's you. Yes.
Dad, what's going on? What's going on?
You hopeless, useless, and non-entitious fool. It's you.
Dad, what's the problem?
Son, you cannot have anything to do with this cursed man and this cursed family.
Stop right now, please. You're about to ruin everything for me. What is the problem?
You will not know who this imbecile standing here is.
Hey, will you mind what you call me? Mind it.
I can call you anything I like. Because that's what you are. You are a hopeless non-entity. In fact, you are a thief.
Dad.
What is happening?
Nonsense. Now, we are leaving here immediately.
Hey.
You understand?
Dad, what's going on? I don't understand.
Larry.
Jude. What is happening here? Can someone explain to me?
Hey, son, you've got to get into that car and we leave this cursed environment right now. You have nothing to do with this. Look at them. Boys,
It's fine.
take me home. Useless, hopeless, non-entitious idiot. It's an imbecile, hopeless animal to come, idiot.
Hey, Papa, what is going on? What happened?
You know you are the cause of all this. You know this.
Oh, please, shut up. So, after all this, your big man lifestyle, you finally end up like this? Huh?
Like this, like what? What do you mean by like this?
It is very bad for someone to run faster than his or her shadow. Just look at you. Look at.
Oh, thank God you know that. You are also telling yourself the same thing.
Oh, please, can you two just stop and tell me what is all this drama about, Papa?
Ask your useless father.
Eh?
Look at who is calling me useless father.
Hey. Whoa.
See, what were you thinking? What were you insinuating when you ran away from your husband and chased after me because of money? Look at her. Come back here. Don't. Come back, stupid woman.
Oh, can you stop? What is going on? Eh?
This world is full of ups and downs.
My elders. I'm very sorry. I'll see you.
No one can predict. Imana echi di This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. Many things happening. This world no one can predict. Okwimana echidime. I thought it was you and I forever. I thought it was
Amara.
you till eternity.
Amara.
You seem to forget.
Where is this girl?
No.
Amara. Oh, see her here. Ami. Oh, dear friend. Don't stop crying. It's okay. It's okay, eh? Amara, stop crying. It is well. Don't worry. They will still come back here to marry you. Yeah. That thing that made them leave, they will still return here and marry you, okay?
It is well. It is well. But I just wish I'm the one that I'm getting married to. You know these five cars. You know these 5 eyes. Can't you see? It's so far. Can't even see the guy is handsome. Money they speak. I just wish I'm the one that's getting married.
Dara? Why this selfish? You're not even concerned about I don't understand what I've come over this girl.
Wait, Amara. You're my friend. You're my friend, but to tell you the simple truth, if I'm you, I'll just drag him down because money they speak in that house. Money, if Nami will get that opportunity, I'll just drag it.
Hey, Tara, I'm disappointed in you. You're not even concerned about Amara's condition. You're here blabbing your mouth anyhow.
She's also my friend. Yeah, Amara. Yes, I know, but you have to just calm down.
What I'm saying? Remove your hand. See, Amara, you don't need to cry. That thing that made them to leave, they will still come back here and marry you. I believe that Dave is your husband. You don't need to. Please remove your hand.
She can't see. She just freshen up now.
Dad, please tell me. At least tell me what the drama out there is all about. Please.
Son, I'm not in the mood to talk about that now. I'm not in the mood.
Dad, can you?
Look, Dave, you need to calm down, okay? You need to calm down.
Wait, did you just say calm down? You saw what happened back there, didn't you?
Look, that's the more reason you need to calm down so we can get to the root of all this. Come on, man. You need to be a man. Be a man and act like a man.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can
You have to tell me all about it. Everything, Papa.
Okay. I will tell you.
Now, how much is it? Why are you shouting? Don't embarrass me here.
The money is too much. Now maybe I think we need to drop some items because the money I have here will not be enough to buy all this.
Larry, what are you saying again?
What I'm saying is that I just have 5,000 naira. Why don't we drop some items?
And then bring your, you have yours here, right? Yes, ma'am. Bring your card. Give her your card.
Ngozi, let us not drag this thing now. Let us not drag it. I had to go to the bank and clear my bank account just for this shopping.
Larry, so are you trying to tell me that this kobo you have in your hand is what is in your account?
Yes.
Why do you like to embarrass me everywhere? Why? Why are you embarrassing me? What is wrong with you?
NG, it's me you're embarrassing. Don't
oh, please keep quiet.
This is public place.
What are you trying to say?
Let us drop some items. Look at people.
Since you don't have money, why did you bring him out here in the first place? What kind of nonsense is this?
No. I'm sorry. I don't want to interfere.
If it is for this you are arguing, I'll take care of that.
No.
Don't bother. I'll take care of it. Baby, how much is their bill?
20,000, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Add it to mine, okay?
Okay, sir.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
You see your fellow man? You are not even a man at all. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
sir.
It's okay. There.
Thank you, sir.
You see, you're such a beautiful woman.
Ah.
You may not blame your man all that. You know, the country's economy is not friendly at all.
But it's friendly for men like you. Now. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
very much.
He's not really my husband anyway.
Really?
It's a long story.
Yes. Okay. So can I get your contact so that some other time we're going to have a good time?
Why not? Sure, I'll give you my line.
All right. Let me give you mine. Come on, you put in your number there. Okay, put in your number.
Okay, sir.
This world is full of mystery.
That's good.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you a call.
It's all right, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Bye, sir.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world
Ngozi,
is full of
tell me, what is the meaning of that embarrassment you met out to me out there?
It means that you have to go out there and hustle and get money like your fellow men. Yes. It is this your laziness from youthful age that kept you in abject poverty all these years.
We're all about slap the hell out of you. Will you shut up your mouth?
Oh, you want to hate me? You want to hit me? Up here? That is the only thing you know. You don't know how to make money, but you know how to hit a woman. Shameless man. Just look at me. Look at what your fellow man paid for me. In your presence, you cannot bring out money.
Yeah, but I had some money too myself.
Which money? Kobo. Change. That change you hold, you call it money. It doesn't come on. That is called change.
At least you would have respected me and managed it and then we'll
because you didn't respect yourself in the first place. You just brought me out there to embarrass me. Apia? You're not old enough to call a man. In fact, you're not a man at all. You're just a coward. Rubbish. Instead of you to appreciate your fellow man, you are here trying to hit a woman. Shameless.
Money. One day, I will make this money. I will make this money one day. Money. Money. Money.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Imana Echidime. This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. This world no one can predict. Okwimana Echidime. I thought it was you and I forever.
Pia? Ngozi? For 2 days, where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from? 2 days now, 2 days, you have not been in the house. A married woman. Look at you.
What kind of stupid question is that? Stop asking me that.
Oh my God, you idiot. Tell me. Stupid idiot.
Larry.
Are you mad?
You slapped me?
Yes. And I will pluck out your eyes if you don't tell me where you're coming from now. Tell me where you come from. A married woman, 2 days you're outside.
Okay. You want to know, right? You want to know where I am coming back from? Okay. I am coming back from Jude's house. Ooh. Yes! You need to see how sweet Jude is. The man that knows how to spend money. Just look at me.
Leave me alone!
Can you imagine that? You mean that man beats you?
Baby, please. You have to come and take me out of that house. I am tired.
No. This is not a matter of begging me, love. Such a wicked man doesn't deserve a beautiful woman like you. Should we head there now?
Let us just go. I want to take out my things from there.
It's okay, it's all right. It's okay. We're going there now.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery.
Larry!
Honey, please.
Larry!
Honey, please.
Leave my bag! Leave my bag now! What is it? Leave my bag!
Honey, please.
Who is the honey?
What is this?
Leave my bag!
Darling, please think about what you're about to do.
I have already thought about it, Larry. What am I going to think again?
Think about your son, please.
Hey.
Think about him.
Why are you so lazy? You are being lazy in everything. How about your little son, Dave? You cannot take care of him. Must I be the one to take care of Dave? Take care of your son now. He's still your son.
Baby.
You're very lazy to get money. You are too lazy. Even on bed, you don't know how to make a woman happy.
On bed, you
teach you what?
It's two of us.
It's me that will teach you.
Baby, please, you're wasting my time.
Thunder that has no control. Let it kill you there. You come to a man's house to collect his wife, and you are there talking. In fact,
if you dare try what you're about to do, I promise you, you're going to spend the rest of your life in the cell, behind bars. Try me. No, try me. Idiot. Baby, come, let's go.
My lord, please, let us go.
Let's go.
Leave this man.
Stupid man.
Honey.
Get into the car.
I married this wife, I paid dowry.
Be a man. Go and make money and be a man.
What has...
Learn how to treat a woman.
Hey, poverty. Look at her. Honey. Sweetheart. Honey.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of misery.
Yeah, you eat, huh? You eat. Oh. Let me go and find something for you to eat.
Chairman, Honorable, good morning, sir. Good evening, good night, good evening, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can do it, sir. Hey, Honorable, Chai. Honorable, hey, contract. Hey, Honorable, thank you. Tomorrow, I will come. Hey, billion. Hey, I will give you your cut. Thank you. God bless you. Government contract. Hey, thank you, Honorable. Thank you. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be in time. Yes, sir. Hey, government contract. Hey, hello.
Full of ups and downs.
that that woman is my mother.
Yes, she is. But I don't ever want to talk about that again. Especially that girl.
Dad, I love her, man. I love her so much. She's the one I want to be with.
I know I want you to get married. But that girl is no-go area. Period. Look for someone else. There are a whole lot of girls in this universe. There is money. You're a young man. You're handsome. So look for a good girl. I don't want to do anything with that family. What I will stay inside a pit and see. When you climb to the mountain, you will not see it. I'm your father.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world, no one can predict.
Ah, Papa. What is pure wickedness now? You openly took away another man's wife just because you had somebody, Papa. Ah. You forgot that nothing lasts forever. Now look at where you are. See where he is. Papa, you have to go and tender apologies to Dave's father. Because if this ruins my chances of getting married to Dave, I'll kill myself. And my blood will be on your head, Papa. I'm not joking.
Amara! Amara!
It was me and you till eternity. Seem to forget no one knows tomorrow. No one can stop.
Hello, Ngozi?
Hello?
Where are you?
I've left your house.
What? To where?
See, Jude, please, I want to go and look for my husband and apologize to him. I don't even know what came over me in the first place. I don't know even if you use charm on me or what.
Why now? Why?
See, you lied to me. Jude, you think I will not know? You think I will not find out that Agnes is pregnant for you? Yes!
Listen. Talking about lie. You also lied to me about your husband.
Please, keep quiet. Don't even make it about me.
Listen, Ngozi. Yes, the girl is pregnant for me. Fine. But you are the one with me. You are the one I want to live with.
Jude, I can't be with you. I want to go and look for my husband and apologize to him. I'm even pregnant.
What did you say? You are pregnant? Oh my God.
Don't get too excited because the pregnancy is not yours.
What?
Yes. How? I am 3 months pregnant. And it's barely 2 months we know each other. So you can see, the pregnancy is not for you. See, Jude, why are you playing this game? You're more than 40 years and you're still playing games like a small boy. Stop it now. See, go and get married to Agnes and build your own family. Let me go and make peace with my own family too.
Ngozi.
Jude, please. Bye-bye, please. Bye-bye.
Ngozi.
Ngozi. This world is full of ups and downs.
She's pregnant.
This world
not from me.
is full of mysteries. This world, no one can
I go to the house and discovered that your father had already relocated with your brother.
So are you trying to tell me that you are my biological mother?
Yes, Alex. I am your mother. Have you ever wondered why I became so fond of you the first day I saw you? How did I know your name? Because I gave you Alex. There is a birthmark on your stomach. I gave it to you. It's very obvious. Yes, I was the one that gave it to you. Your mother.
Only if you know how much I hate you right now, you will just stop talking.
Please, don't hate me so much, please. Sorry, forgive me. I know that you hate me, but don't hate me much, please. I don't know what to tell you when you grow up and start asking questions about your father. That was why I was so ashamed of myself.
Oh yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Disgust me.
Alex, please. Forgive me, please. Alex, come back. Alex, come back. Alex, please, forgive me. Hi.
Come here, son. Come. Oh, I didn't know that. All this while I've been living with my own biological son. You're welcome home, child.
Thank you, Father. Alice.
Yes, bro.
You know, right from the first time we met, I knew there was something particular about you. I couldn't just place it. I had the connection anyway. Well, I accepted you as a friend, as a brother, not just as a friend. You know, I hardly mingle with friends. Well, look at how it turned out. You're actually my own blood. You're welcome to the family, my brother. Welcome.
Please, tea card and water.
Yes, Dad.
You see, honestly, Dad, I can't believe all this thing is happening now. Like, I'm so happy right now. I can't believe that I've finally reunited with my real family. I never believed that someday would finally come like this.
That's all right. You're welcome to your house.
In fact, Dave, God bless the day I met you.
It's all right, bro. It's all right. Come here. Come here, bro. It's all right.
I'm so happy.
You're welcome, bro.
So happy you're welcome.
Ah, Dad, I am the most happiest young man right now. And this whole family reunion thing would have been much better if Mom was there.
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Imana echidime. This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Okwimana echidime. I thought it was you and I forever. I thought it was me and you till eternity. You seem to forget no one knows tomorrow. Imana echidime. No one can stop destiny. No one can stop existence. No matter what will be, it will surely come to pass. Imana echidime.
Amara. Hey. What is all this now? Eh? Amara. Hey. Amara. See, you are hurting yourself for the way you are going about this thing. I am sorry that things turned out this way, but that is not the end of life. Your life must go on. Eh?
Is that all you have to say, Papa?
What do you want me to say? No, tell me, what do you want me to say? You were there when the chief said over his dead body, will his son marry you? What do I do?
Papa, what kind of a man are you? You hurt our family so much and you're not even remorseful.
Me? I am not remorseful. Come on. Oh, you want me to die before you know that I'm remorseful? Okay, no, let me go and die before everyone knows that I am remorseful. Is that?
How did you manage to hide this part of yourself away from me all these years?
Meaning? Amara! What kind of thing is this now? What kind of situation is this? Eh? And this chief does not want to see any member of my family in his house. So what do I do? Amara, you better go and look for another boy. Yo. I'm not... Amara! Amara!
Who is there? Jude!
Who is that?
Jude?
Come. What are you doing here? I ask you, Ngozi, what do you want? Eh?
Have you not come down off your high horse yet? Huh? Or doesn't your daughter's present condition disturb you?
Hey, look.
It doesn't bother you?
Hey, listen. Whatever you have to say it now. Or you leave my house immediately. Leave my house.
Look at this one. Is this house? This what you call house?
Me?
Anyways, my son is passing through a lot. And it's because of me.
Ah.
Yes.
Thank God you know that. Thank God you know that it is your greed that destabilized your family. Because if you had been contented with what you had, you wouldn't be in this mess now. You see?
See, your child, your daughter is equally emotionally down. And if something is not done about it, hey, there will be trouble. Yes, we have to do something about it so that it will not get out of hand.
This world is full of ups and downs.
Okay. What do you want us to do?
Good. Give me a seat.
This world, no one can predict.
Open the gate now and see the person.
This world is full of ups and downs.
Madam, wait.
Eh?
What are you looking for?
We want to see your guy.
We want to, the chief.
Chief, yes.
I know saying that they come.
No, we want to see him.
He knows we are coming.
You know saying that they come.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, we've called him on phone.
When
Yes.
I go wait for you, I go tell him.
Go now.
Okay, go.
Wait for you, no come
Go
inside.
quickly. We want to see him. He wants us to wait for you.
Let's go.
Let us follow him. Let's follow.
Let's go.
You mean this is Larry's place?
I'm telling you.
You mean Larry owns all this thing? Eh?
Stop asking me. Larry owns everything here.
Look at swimming pool, sir.
Let's go.
This man has made it.
I pray he will listen to me.
How many of them are living here?
Stop asking me that question. Larry owns everything here.
Calm down.
Which one be happening? It's okay. Let's.
you told them, then I will transfer half a billion. Ringo, what is it?
Some people is at the gate.
Who are they?
One woman and one man. He said they want to see you. I don't know them. Madam, I said, when I wait for gate now. Why not come inside now? When I want make I lose my work.
It's okay. We're already here. It's okay. Calm down.
Don't worry.
Calm down now.
Ringo, are you stupid?
Sir.
Are you mad? Why did you allow them to come into the compound?
I asked them to wait.
Haven't I warned you?
Yes, sir.
What's wrong with you? And both of you. Look at what the hell are you God-forsaken to looking for in my compound? What nonsense is this? Why did you allow them to come into this place?
My love, please. I'm so sorry. Forgive me.
Who is your love?
Forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Remember, I'm your wife, oh. Please. Forgive me, please.
Now I'm your love.
Forgive me now.
You are very stupid for saying that.
Please, my in-law, please, I beg you. Please, you know, sir.
May the thunder that has bow and arrow and spear strike that mouth of yours that you are using to call me in-law. Who is your in-law?
It's you now.
Look, if I count 2 and you people are still here, your dead bodies will be in the mortuary.
Please now.
Please.
Honey, please. Forgive us. We are very sorry. Please. Remember how we started though, please.
You see, and they say to err is human and to forgive is divine. Please, forgive us.
Forgive us.
To err is human, to forgive is divine. I should forgive you, wicked souls.
Forgive us, please.
You dealt with me when I had nothing. But now, look at me. Look at it. Look.
We are happy for you. God has blessed you.
Exactly. We are happy for
so
you.
much.
Happy for me.
Yes.
You are happy for me, wicked souls.
Please.
Now, get out. If you don't get out, I will shoot both of you. Ringo!
Sir.
Get your weapon!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go on.
Yes,
honey, please forgive me now.
No, you never.
Forgive your wife. Can't you forgive your wife?
If you continue staying here, you are dead.
Please.
It doesn't come to that, though.
Stand there and die.
No, this is not gone issue, please. Oh, please, can we?
Honey, please now.
Please.
Let me come back.
Please.
Please.
Oh, please.
Come, let's go.
It be. Please now.
You see, he's coming.
Please.
He's coming out.
Oh. Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Don't touch me again, oh. You're the one that caused all these things.
I did not cause anything.
Leave me.
You were the one who followed me because of money. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't touch me, this man.
Come and kill you. Let's go.
Go your way.
I will leave you.
Leave me. Go.
Go and die. Let him kill you. I'm going. Let's go.
It is okay for you and Alex to hate me. I deserve it. I am not asking to be reunited with your father because I don't deserve him. I was so obsessed with money. I hope people learn from this, especially young girls that are not ready to settle down and build up a standard future for themselves. Those who prefer already made men to what God gave them, forgetting that what is to come is better. Because the future is pregnant. Dave, I ask you to come because I want to see you just for the last time.
How do you mean, mother? How do you mean just for the last time? I don't understand.
Don't call me that, please.
Why? Because you're also ashamed of me being your son? Is that it?
Dave, I don't deserve you. I don't deserve to be called your mother. I left you when you needed me the most. Because of money, I left the man that loves me with every strength in him. I want you boys to be happy. I want your father to be happy. So in order to achieve that, son, I want to just disappear.
Mommy, no. Please, no.
Listen, Dave, listen. I want you and Alex to forget everything about me and move on with your lives.
Mother.
This is where we say goodbye.
Mother.
This is where you say goodbye, please.
No. Mother, listen, I'm not losing you again. I've stayed without a mother all my life. I am not willing to continue with that.
I don't deserve you, boys.
Mother, let that be my decision to make. I love you and I am forgiving you totally. From my heart, I'm forgiving you, Mom. I hold nothing against you.
You forgive me?
Yes, Mom. It's alright, Mother. It's alright. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here now. Okay. Mother, it's okay. Don't cry again.
Your father was leaving for his daily activities. And I will tell him that I don't have a comb to comb my hair because there's no money to go to the salon. And he will say he had no money on him. The only thing your father had then was an old, outdated, dead wristwatch. So, when he left for work, I would be like, this is my husband. Let me do something to get him a new wristwatch. So, I had to sell one of my best wrappers to get him a new wristwatch.
Wow. You did that?
Yes, I did. So when your father was coming back from his job, he stopped at a wristwatch shop and sold his old watch to get me a new comb.
Wow.
When he got back home, I was so happy that I'm going to surprise my husband. Without knowing that it wasn't only me that had the surprise. So, when I was about to get the new wristwatch I bought for him, he was bringing out the new comb he bought for me as well.
Wow. So sweet.
Oh, it was so awesome. Tears flowed simultaneously from our both eyes. Tears of joy. So, we made a vow there and then that we are going to understand and support each other no matter what. But all those joy, all those happiness, all those beautiful moments, all that changed when I ran into an old friend of mine.
Forget, no one knows tomorrow.
Hey!
Hey!
Who am I seeing?
See Choma!
Ha!
Who am I seeing?
Ngo.
Chomi! Is this you? Hey!
Ah, take hand.
See Chomio! Chomi that has been so dirty and local then. You're looking so nice.
That is the point.
How is your husband?
Husband, okay. I better forget about that one. I'm busy making money for my own self.
This is serious, so.
I cannot imagine myself being controlled with a man that cannot feed himself. May talk of myself. Just like you now.
What happened?
Ngozi, you are suffering. I don't need a sister to tell me that you are.
Hey. My friend, don't insult me. What's that one? Am I not looking good like this?
My dear, I am not insulting you at all. All I'm just telling you need to wisen up. My friend, wisen up. Come out of this your shackles of within. Come on, let me show you the way. Before this man will make you look old though.
Hey, you know what no chummy.
Hey now, come on.
You show me the way.
Sure, I will show you the way. What's our friends for?
Chummy, will show me the way.
You just need to leave your husband so that he will not make you grow older.
Okay. So, I guess I let that act destroyed my home.
Oh, well, Mom, it's alright. All that is in the past now. I am sure we can fix this. I promise you we will find a way around it. Okay? Don't let it bother you.
Okay. Are you hungry? Let me get you something to eat.
I think I am.
Good. You are going to eat your mother's local food, not only just akara.
Oh, you don't know how much I've been longing to have a taste of my mom's food.
Oh. So I'm going to cook you a delicious meal. I wish Alex was here with you.
Mom, just go bring the food, okay? Leave Alex. Alex will eat some other time.
Come in.
Do you need me to come help you out?
No, I'm coming right away.
Wow.
You seem to forget no one knows tomorrow.
Dave? Oh my God, Dave! I'm so happy to see you.
Me too. I miss you too. Sorry. I'm sorry to not have come since
Oh,
then.
no, it's okay. I understand. You don't have to apologize. And I have to apologize on behalf of my father. I'm really sorry for what he did to your family.
You know what? The sun is harsh. Why don't you go dress up? I want to take you out.
Really?
Thank you so much.
I've missed you.
I missed you more. I love you.
I love you too, Dave.
Hurry up.
Okay,
I'll
come
be
in.
waiting. It's alright. Nah, just hurry up, okay? I'm right here. Dad?
Son, I know you have not been yourself for weeks. And I'm sure it's because of that girl. But I have good news for you, my son.
Dad, good news. Are you bringing Mom back?
Never. Don't say that again.
All right, Dad, sorry. So, tell me, what's the good news?
I am allowing you to marry the girl you love.
Wow. Dad, are you serious about this?
Yes, I can never stand on the way of your happiness. You're my son. Everything that can make you happy. So you can bring her home anytime. All right?
Wow, thank you very much, Dad. Thank you.
Good.
Dad.
I care so much about your happiness, and I will not stand on the way of your happiness.
Thank you so much, Dad. I really appreciate this. Thank you. You don't know how happy this makes me. Thank you.
Good.
Well, Dad, what about Mom? Sorry.
I will never have anything to do with that woman, and I don't want to hear it from you again.
Sorry.
This is the last time
you
will talk to me about her.
I'm sorry, Dad.
And so be happy.
Sorry.
Talking about your happiness now.
I'm happy, Dad.
All right?
Ups and downs. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Imana This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery. Many things happening. This world no one can predict.
Who is that? Hey, woman, what the hell are you doing here? What are you doing in my house?
Chief, please, forgive me. I'm so sorry, please. Please.
You're so sorry.
I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me.
Now you know. Who opened the gate for you? What are you doing here? Now, get out of my house now. Hey, who opened the door? Hey, that boy!
Please, I can explain, please. Can you just hear me out?
What are you explaining? Get out of my house. Look, I don't want to see you in my house. In fact, who let you into this compound? Now, get up and get out. Don't kneel down for me. I am not God.
Chief, please remember the old time. Remember our old time. I was staying together, please.
Nonsense!
Please.
Get out! Get up and get out of my house now. Before I go in and come out, I'll shoot you with my gun.
Please.
Get out!
Please.
Get out!
I
go in and come, I kill you.
I was once your wife, oh please, forgive me.
If I go in and come out, then you'll be dead. Get out!
This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of mystery.
Come in. Come in. Yes.
Dad, I need to talk to you about something.
What is that? It is about your mother. I don't want to hear. I've told you several times that I don't want to hear anything about her again.
Dad, why do you always shut me up whenever I bring up Mom's issue?
Because I've told you I will never reconcile with her again.
Dad, she is my mother. Dad, she's my mom. Anyway, she's sick. Okay, she's terribly sick and she's at the hospital.
And so?
Dad, Mom is at the point of death. The doctor says she has less than 3 days to live.
Oh, let her die.
Dad, the woman you once loved, and I'm sure you still love her. It's at the point of death.
Now the man that she ran away with should go and take care of her. What's all that?
That she left that man the same moment she left you. Then can't you see that she loves you? She's very sorry for all the things she put you through. Please, Dad, forgive her, please.
This world is full of ups and downs. If anything happens to Mama, I will not forgive you. This world is full of mysteries. This world no one can predict. Imana echidime. This world is full of ups and downs. This world is full of
Ngozi. Angie. I call you the pet name Angie. I loved you so much. But you disappointed me. Ngozi. I still love you. I will not allow you to die. I will fly you overseas for medical treatment. If that is the last thing I do.
Father, but I will listen to every single thing you said. Dad, from all indication, you still love Mother. Why can't you just forgive?
Dad, Daddy needs to forgive Mom. Dad, the truth is that Mom still loves you. She still values you. She still cares about you. Dad, you know that we still need Mom around this house. We need her in this home. She needs to come back and feel the space of motherhood that she left for a very long time now. Dad, please. Why can't you just forgive her and bring her back?
Dad, that deep down in your heart, I know Mother still occupies a very special place in it. Otherwise, how do you explain you being single after all these years? You had all it takes. When you made your money, you would have married as many wives as you wanted. But no, you stay single because of the love you still have for Mother. That Mother is dying. Please forgive her. That's just what she needs.
I love my wife. I've forgiven her.
Because
of you, I want you children to be happy with your mother. I've forgiven her.
You've forgiven her.
I want her to be well.
But just say it.
She's forgiven. I love my wife. Because of you, for you to be happy.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Serious?
Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital.
Well, Dad, I'm sorry, but
Dad, we just put the prank on you. She's alive and she's healthy.
And she's right here. Mom! Mom, come out!
Mom!
Is she coming?
I'm so sorry for
Get up.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Well, you don't know how happy I am, Dad. I am the most excited man in the world right now. That welcome.
I love you, boys. I love you, boys. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.